Hi, if you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life, so you know what they like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews. In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best coconut oils. So let's get started. Number 7. Thrive Market Organic Virgin Coconut Oil. It's hard to find coconut oil that can top Thrive Market's product. It's organic, cold-pressed, unrefined, virgin, and, like all Thrive Market goods, priced considerably fairer than many other coconut oils of the same quality. To make things even sweeter, it's ethically sourced from a small farm in the Philippines where farmers are treated fairly, and only the highest quality coconuts make the cut. In other words, it checks all the boxes of what makes coconut oil great, and that's why it earned the spot of best coconut oil overall. Number 6. Dr. Bronner's Regenerative Organic Virgin Coconut Oil. Like others on this list, Dr. Bronner's coconut oil is organic, unrefined, and freshly expeller-pressed, but this coconut oil takes sustainability up a notch. Dr. Bronner's works with farmers in Sri Lanka who utilize regenerative farming practices that help enrich the soil and reduce the carbon footprint, decreasing the impact on climate change. The regenerative organic certification also ensures that farmers, animals, and workers are all treated fairly during the entire process. There are also 2 options to choose from: the white kernel and the whole kernel. The white kernel is made without the inner skin of the coconut for a milder taste, while the whole kernel includes the skin for a nuttier taste. Number 5. Garden of Life Organic Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. Garden of Life uses cold pressing, an extraction technique that relies on pressure rather than heat, oxygen, or chemical additives to turn raw organic coconuts into coconut oil with all of the flavor and nutrition locked in. With organic, vegan, and non-GMO certifications, it's one of the highest quality coconut oils you can buy. And it comes in 3 sizes: 14, 29, and 56 ounces, so you can purchase as much or as little as you want. Number 4. Nutiva Organic Liquid Coconut Oil. Coconut oil has become a go-to source of healthy fat to add to smoothies or baked goods, but since it's solid at room temperature, it can be difficult to incorporate into frozen drinks or batter without melting it first. That's where Nutiva's organic liquid coconut oil comes in. Using a proprietary extraction technique that doesn't involve chemicals or filler oils, Nutiva separates the fats from virgin coconut oil and turns them into an oil that remains liquid, even at cooler temperatures. The end result is pure coconut oil that's organic, unrefined, and easy to use. Number 3. Wildly Organic Coconut Oil. If you want to add the health benefits of coconut oil to your life, but don't really like the tropical taste, refined coconut oils, like this one from Wildly Organic, are a good compromise. Unlike other companies that use potentially harmful chemicals, additives, and solvents as part of the refining process, Wildly Organic relies only on steam. This steam refining creates a coconut oil with a milder taste and a higher smoke point that's ideal for high-heat cooking, like sautéing and stir-frying. Number 2. BetterBody Foods Organic Virgin Coconut Oil. Like other types of coconut oil that are made from dried coconuts, virgin coconut oil is made from raw, fresh coconut meat in its most natural state. In addition to being a virgin, BetterBody Foods coconut oil is organic, cold-pressed, and non-GMO. Because it undergoes less processing than other types of coconut oil, the smoke point isn't as high, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, instead of 425 degrees, but it's still an excellent choice for medium heat cooking and baking. Number 1. Nutiva Organic Coconut Oil. If you're not a fan of coconut flavor in your savory dishes, like chicken or beef, this refined butter-flavored oil from Nutiva is a lifesaver. It has all of the benefits of coconut oil without the coconut taste. It tastes just like rich, creamy butter, also making it a great butter substitute for baking, spreading on toast, and drizzling on top of popcorn. The butter flavor itself is made from a combination of vegan-friendly natural ingredients, so it's completely dairy-free and without any harmful chemicals or additives.